Hello everyone, welcome to Intel Investors, and in this video let's go over the mobile version of the MetaTrader 4 software. Okay, now upon signing in you will see something like this. This will be the codes tab or the codes section of the application. So here is where you'll find the currency pairs, and if the currency pair that you want to trade is not in here, just click on the plus icon on the top right corner of the page. Right there, and look for, if it's a currency pair, click forex. If it's a precious metal, you can click metals, and if it's futures, obviously just click futures. For forex, let's try to add New Zealand dollar. Okay, if you want to check out the details first, you can. All right, and then just click on the plus icon, then click done. You'll find it at the very bottom. Now if we do want to trade this currency pair, all we have to do is just click it. Then first, if you want to look at the price action, you can go for chart. Okay, sometimes connection issues could prevent you from visualizing the charts, but you just have to wait for it. Now I switch back to chart and now it's there. Okay, so what this chart lacks is our indicators actually. So to add some indicators, just click this icon right there, the middle, and to add to the main window, click main window, then look for your indicator. So you want to add the relative strength index. Okay, the period is all right, 14, standard. Click done. See, it's now over there. We want to add another one, say the moving average. Okay, there we go, 50, and that's it. Alright, now if we want to trade this, we can go back to quotes. Okay. And then click trade. Click the same currency pair and then trade. It will take us to here. Now at the top is where you'll adjust over here your lot size. You can go for micro, mini, or standard. Okay, and you can also set your stop loss over here and your take profit order over here. All right, and you can choose to either sell by market or buy by market, or if you want, you can set a pending order: buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, or sell limit. And once you place that order, every trade that you close will appear here in the history tab. Okay, since I haven't closed any trades yet for the day, I don't have anything here. I think I do have one for the week. Yeah, I sold the Japanese yen last week with this demo account, and that transaction is recorded in here. All right, if you have a real account that you've been trading for a very long time, you can go for custom, and choose the date range. All right, and that's basically it. So the settings is where you can manage all your accounts, and where you can add demo accounts or switch from real accounts to demo accounts. So that's it. Thank you for watching.